Amy Yang, come from High Hope, and this is our company. Our brand is GSTX. Mostly we are stronger in textile. One is fabric, another is garments and home textile, and also accessories. This kind of accessories, that means a cap, scarf, clothes, and shoes, and luggage, and also this kind of production. So last year, our group in textile import and export is 11.7 billion US dollar. So Bangladesh is our main market. So we are running business more than 40 years, this company. So our main product in fabric is mostly like printing, yarn dyed, solid dyed, man-made, knitting, and silk sacca, and sharper. Everything you can see, the fabric, yarn, and also finish production. So that we want to continue to do business with Bangladesh market, and also welcome Bangladesh, all of who want to do business with China can go to China, visit our booth in Shanghai Expo. So that is all of the things we want win together, Bangladesh and China, because High Hope is a Chinese government company. So that is we hope is two government and two countries as a brother and business partner. So this is the first time our High Hope attend this young fabric show. So we expect more visitors visit us, because this time we are aid the young business. So it's you see it's a raw yarn and finish production, and like this bags and sweater or such as. So that is I hope can invite so many clients come to our booth and get the business both of us. So that's thank you.